Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer a crypto from OKX Exchange to MEXC Global. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your OKX wallet first. Now from over here at the trade section, you will find plenty of options at the top. Now tap on this option of withdraw given. Upon doing that, you simply have to select from withdraw crypto to P2P trading. Now tap on withdraw crypto. Then go ahead, choose the token that you have in your wallet that you would like to withdraw. We can choose the USDT. Now go ahead, choose the withdrawal method, on-chain or internet free. Now go ahead, choose the on-chain one for now. We chose the on-chain because as description it reads that it is simply for you to transfer to external wallet, which Mexi is simply external wallet. Now go ahead, go to your MEXC Global app and copy the address and paste it right over here at the top. Enter addresses. And then you can go to this withdrawal network. You're going to select the network that you would prefer. Withdrawal amount, go ahead, add it up. Select your withdrawal account from tapping on this drop down icon. Once you're done, tap on submit at the bottom. Then from this interface, you can see potential risk warning. It will simply come up for you to simply check it out more. Tap on continue if you still would like to go further. Tap on confirm again at the bottom. And there you go, your withdrawal request has been submitted, and once it's done, you will receive the money you will receive the crypto on MEXC Global, and that is how you will know it. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.